The power of your subconscious mind. There is a hidden power within you, a silent force that never sleeps. It listens to every word you say, accepts every thought you think, and quietly shapes the events of your life. This power is your subconscious mind. Dr. Joseph Murphy, in his timeless book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, reveals that this unseen part of you holds the key to health, happiness, and success. Everything you experience in the outer world is first created in your inner world of thought and belief. Every moment of your life, your subconscious mind is working. It controls your heartbeat, your breathing, your digestion, every vital function. It also controls your habits, emotions, and reactions. But most people never realize that they can direct this power consciously. The subconscious mind is like fertile soil. Whatever seed you plant, whether a thought of fear or faith, grows and bears fruit in your reality. If you constantly tell yourself, "I can't do it," your subconscious accepts it as truth and makes it so. But if you say with conviction, "I can achieve anything," it will find ways to make it happen. Dr. Murphy compares your conscious and subconscious minds to a gardener and the soil. The conscious mind plants the seeds, and the subconscious grows them. It does not question what is planted. It simply brings to life whatever is sown. That is why negative thinking is so dangerous. The subconscious does not know the difference between right or wrong, true or false. It only responds to what you repeatedly think and believe. Whatever idea is impressed upon your subconscious with feeling becomes reality. If you constantly think about poverty, sickness, or failure, those things will manifest. If you think about abundance, health, and success, those will appear instead. The subconscious mind acts upon belief, not logic. It does not reason or analyze. That is the conscious mind's job. The subconscious mind takes whatever the conscious mind accepts as true and makes it real. The key, then, is to control your thoughts and fill your mind with ideas that uplift and empower you. Dr. Murphy often said that faith is the only law of the subconscious mind. When you believe deeply in a certain outcome, your subconscious begins to act as if it is already real. He told stories of people who healed themselves, found love, achieved wealth, and transformed their lives simply by changing their beliefs. Their faith created new patterns in their subconscious, and the outer world rearranged itself to match those inner convictions. This is why he often quoted the Bible verse, "According to your faith be it unto you." Belief is not just hope. It is a mental acceptance of an idea as reality. When you hold an image in your mind with strong emotion and conviction, the subconscious goes to work to make it real. It might guide you through intuition, coincidences, or sudden ideas, but somehow what you believe always finds its way into your life. Imagination, Dr. Murphy explains, is the workshop of the subconscious mind. Whatever you vividly imagine, you will eventually experience. The subconscious cannot tell the difference between something real and something imagined with deep emotion. If you picture yourself confident, successful, and fulfilled, your subconscious begins to create conditions to make that image true. That is why visualization is one of the most powerful techniques to harness the subconscious. Before sleep or upon waking, when your mind is calm and receptive, imagine yourself living the life you desire. See it clearly in your mind's eye. Feel it as if it is already yours. The subconscious mind accepts the picture you paint and begins to express it in your outer life. As Dr. Murphy says, your subconscious mind accepts what you really feel to be true. He also taught that the subconscious mind is the seat of healing. Many illnesses, he said, are caused by negative emotions, fear, or guilt buried deep in the subconscious. When you fill your mind with thoughts of harmony, health, and peace, your body responds. The cells of your body are like obedient servants to your mind. If you constantly think of sickness, they will obey those commands. But if you affirm health, vitality, and strength, they will begin to rebuild you in that image. Dr. Murphy told many true stories of miraculous healings. There was a man diagnosed with a terminal disease who read the power of your subconscious mind and began to visualize himself as completely healed. Each night before sleep, he imagined his doctor telling him, "You are perfectly well." Within weeks, his health returned. The subconscious had accepted the image of wellness and guided his body to restore itself. Murphy often reminded readers that there is only one healing power, the life force of the subconscious mind. Faith in that power brings recovery, while fear of disease creates illness. The mind and body are one system, and the subconscious is the bridge between them. Your relationships, too, are reflections of your subconscious beliefs. If you constantly think, "People always mistreat me," you will continue to attract such experiences. But if you affirm, "I attract love, kindness, and respect," your subconscious will guide you toward people who reflect that energy. Murphy said that love and goodwill are powerful forces. Whatever you wish for another, you are also wishing for yourself. When you sincerely send out thoughts of peace, love, and happiness to others, your subconscious returns them multiplied. To improve relationships, he suggested mentally blessing the people around you. Imagine them surrounded by light and harmony. Even if someone wrongs you, silently affirm, "I release you to God's peace." Forgiveness, he said, is not for the other person, it is for you. Holding resentment poisons the mind and blocks the flow of divine energy. But forgiveness cleanses the subconscious and restores peace. To forgive is to free yourself from the past. Dr. Murphy also devoted much of his book to the subject of wealth. He taught that money itself is not evil or spiritual. It is simply a symbol of abundance and freedom. The universe is full of prosperity, and you have the right to share in it. Poverty, he said, is not a virtue. It is a limitation created by wrong thinking. To attract wealth, you must develop a prosperity consciousness. That means seeing yourself as rich in mind before you are rich in matter. Never say, "I can't afford that." Instead, affirm, "I can afford everything I need." Money flows freely and constantly into my life. When you say such words with belief, your subconscious opens doors of opportunity, ideas, and inspiration. Many people have proven this truth. By changing their inner attitude toward money, they change their financial destiny. Murphy encouraged readers to repeat prosperity affirmations daily. Statements like, "I am one with the infinite riches of my subconscious mind," or "Wealth flows to me freely, joyously, and endlessly," impress abundance upon the inner mind. Over time, these thoughts replace the old patterns of lack and fear. Your outer world adjusts to match the new inner picture. He also emphasized the importance of gratitude. When you're thankful for what you have, your subconscious assumes abundance is your natural state and brings you more to be thankful for. Gratitude multiplies blessings, while complaint reduces them. Each morning and night, thank the infinite intelligence within you for guiding and prospering you in every way. Dr. Murphy taught that before you sleep, you should never think of problems or worries. The last 5 minutes before sleep are the most powerful moments of the day. Whatever you think then sinks deep into your subconscious and works throughout the night. If you fill your mind with fear, the subconscious magnifies it. But if you fill it with peace, faith, and love, you will awaken refreshed and inspired. He suggested a simple nightly ritual. Relax your body, close your eyes, and repeat quietly, "I am at peace. My mind is calm. I give my subconscious mind the order to bring harmony, health, and success into my life." Then drift off to sleep with that feeling. During the night, your subconscious will continue to work for you. One of the greatest enemies of success, Murphy said, is fear. Fear paralyzes the mind and blocks the creative power of the subconscious. But fear is only a thought, and thoughts can be changed. He advised replacing fear with faith. Whenever you feel afraid, affirm the opposite. If you fear failure, say, "Success is mine now." If you fear illness, affirm, "I am perfectly healthy." The subconscious mind responds to the dominant idea, not to both at once. So feed it only the thoughts you want to experience. Murphy famously said, "Do the thing you fear, and the death of fear is certain." Action born of faith dissolves fear. As you face challenges with confidence, your subconscious adapts and strengthens you. Courage is not the absence of fear, but mastery over it. And that mastery begins in the mind. Another deep teaching of the power of your subconscious mind is that we attract what we habitually think about. This is what modern teachers call the law of attraction. Long before that term was popular, Murphy explained that thoughts are magnetic. Like attracts like. When your mind is filled with love, joy, and faith, you draw people and situations that match those feelings. When your mind is filled with anger, envy, or worry, you draw the same. Negativity back. Your outer life is a mirror of your inner consciousness. If you wish to change your circumstances, change your thoughts first. See yourself as already possessing the qualities you desire: health, success, confidence, peace, and the subconscious will express them through you. Dr. Murphy also offered many practical techniques to reprogram the subconscious mind. He recommended affirmations, repeated statements that express what you wish to experience. He advised visualization, where you see the desired result clearly in your imagination. He suggested gratitude and autosuggestion, especially before sleep, when the mind is most receptive. Above all, he urged readers to cultivate unwavering faith in themselves, in life, and in the infinite power of the subconscious mind. He reminded everyone that the subconscious has infinite intelligence. When you face a problem you cannot solve consciously, turn it over to your subconscious. Before sleeping, say, "Infinite intelligence within me knows the perfect answer." It reveals it clearly and unmistakably. Then forget the problem. Often the answer comes as a sudden idea, a dream, or a coincidence. This method has guided inventors, writers, and scientists to breakthroughs beyond logic. Your subconscious mind, Murphy said, is like a faithful servant. It obeys the orders you give it, even if those orders are wrong. If you constantly dwell on failure, you are ordering failure. If you dwell on success, you are commanding success. You are the master. Your mind is the servant. Speak wisely, think lovingly, and your life will reflect your inner words. He also wrote beautifully about peace of mind. True peace, he said, comes not from the world but from harmony with your own subconscious. When your thoughts are aligned with love, forgiveness, and gratitude, life flows smoothly. When your thoughts are filled with anger and resentment, life becomes a struggle. You always have a choice: to fill your subconscious with faith or with fear, with love or with hate. The choice you make determines the life you live. Toward the end of the power of your subconscious mind, Dr. Murphy explains that your destiny is not fixed. You can change it at any time by changing your mental patterns. You are not a victim of fate or circumstance. You are the builder of your own life. Your subconscious mind will create whatever picture you hold in your imagination. So paint wisely. He writes, you can remake yourself by giving a new blueprint to your subconscious mind. That blueprint is your thoughts, your beliefs, and your mental images. Think only of what you want, never of what you fear. As you persist in positive thinking, your subconscious gradually erases old patterns and builds new ones. Life becomes a reflection of your inner transformation. Problems dissolve, opportunities appear, and peace fills your heart. You begin to understand that the world is not happening to you. It is responding to you. You are both the artist and the artwork of your own mind. Murphy ends his teachings with a message of infinite hope. He assures every reader that there is no limit to what the subconscious mind can do. The only limitation is your belief in limitation itself. When you realize that divine intelligence flows through you, that you are one with the power that created the universe, nothing is impossible. He writes that you were born to lead a rich, full, and happy life, not one of fear or struggle. The key to that life is understanding and using the power of your subconscious mind. Whatever you want, health, love, peace, wealth, is already within you, waiting for your command. The moment you change your thoughts, your world begins to change. So begin today. Watch your words, because they are seeds. Guard your thoughts, because they become your destiny. Fill your mind with faith, gratitude, and love, and your subconscious will respond in kind. You are the master of your fate, the captain of your soul, and the creator of your world. As Dr. Joseph Murphy reminds us, change your thoughts, and you change your destiny.